Beneath the towering oaks, where golden leaves carpet quiet paths, the morning sun filters through a gentle mist, unveiling a realm alive with subtle motion. A glossy American crow steps with deliberate grace along a wooden walkway, its ebony feathers shimmering with hints of deep blue, reflecting the soft autumn light. The bird pauses, tilting its head, dark eyes scanning the serene campus environment that blends stone buildings and open grass. High above, a large flock of crows gathers in dense formation, their collective caws rising in layered alarm calls that ripple through the crisp air. Among them, younger birds watch intently, absorbing lessons from elders, their gaze fixed on the nuanced behaviors unfolding. These moments, etched in memory, form the foundation of knowledge passed through generations, where survival depends not just on instinct, but on shared experience and learned wisdom. Researchers move quietly through the park, their presence respectful and purposeful. Clad in strikingly realistic caveman and neutral Dick Cheney masks, they navigate the crowd with practiced care, gently trapping crows for close examination. Each bird is carefully banded, data recorded meticulously, a symbiotic dance between human inquiry and avian resilience, playing out amid ancient trees and softly flowing shadows. As a crow steps forward, it carries a small twig in its beak, selecting and shaping it with remarkable precision. The bird's movements ripple with intelligence, breaking off a segment, curving it into a delicate shape. With patient expertise, it probes the bark crevices, extracting hidden insects with a grace born of countless trials. Stone tools come into play, dropped expertly into water to raise floating treats. Innovation born not of culture, but evolution, complex as any mammal's craftsmanship. The morning unfolds further into scenes of food caching, a subtle strategy revealed in secretive movements. A crow glides low over the open grass, eyes sharp for watchful competitors. It chooses a hidden nook beneath a pile of leaves, concealing a precious morsel with deft claws before retreating, only to return later and retrieve the hidden feast. Occasionally, deception weaves into the ritual, false caches crafted to mislead, preserving resources through cunning and patience. From aerial vistas, the campus stretches like a quilt of stone, grass, and vibrant leafage, each corner alive with life. The interplay of light and shadow shapes the landscape, offering a sanctuary that bridges urban life and wild instinct. Tree branches sway softly, sunlight dappling the bark, as one crow transitions from walking to flight, unfolding wings in slow-motion majesty. The mechanics of flight are effortless yet precise, feathers catching the warm breeze, every beat a study in natural engineering. Amidst such scenes, the concept of memory unfolds, not as abstraction, but as living reality. Neural pathways spark subtly, mirrored in organic patterns that ripple through the crow's brain as it recognizes faces, distinguishes friend from foe, maps the intricate geography of its habitat. These impressions, etched in time, fortify connections that bind generations, a silent dialogue invisible to the eye, but vital to survival. Close-ups reveal exquisite feather details, each filament a marvel of natural design, textured to perfection beneath soft cinematic lighting. The crow's intelligent eyes reflect the world with clarity and curiosity. Glances met with an unspoken exchange, bridging species through shared observation. Natural soundscapes frame the moment. Rustling leaves, distant footsteps, the harmonious chorus of wildlife entwined with human presence. As the day advances, scenes shift with gentle fluidity. A slow dolly past a gathering where young crows rehearse flight patterns, elders call warnings, and the flock responds in a collective symphony of sound and movement. Golden highlights catch on stone facades, warm shadows deepen under canopy arches, and every frame breathes with the rich contrast that defines life in this transitional season. Moments of raw interaction interweave, crows confronting rivals, displaying dominance or subtle submission, watchful eyes tracing the comings and goings of neighbors, silent understanding past in fleeting gestures. Scientific observation records it all, translating these natural dramas into data, revealing complexity that challenges preconceived notions about avian intelligence. The quiet, experimental station blends seamlessly into the environment, a hub of discrete inquiry, where behavior is cataloged without disruption. Banding and measurements are conducted swiftly, minimizing stress, allowing crows to return swiftly to their routines. Each individual contributes to a growing mosaic of understanding, bridging wildlife and science in mutual respect. Flickering shadows play across expansive lawns as the sun arcs lower, soft volumetric rays piercing through leaves, catching dust motes and suspended pollen. Echoes of calls persist, conversations between birds layered over ambient city sounds, sublimated beneath natural harmonies. The environment holds tight to its seasonal charm, a moment of stillness woven into the ongoing symphony of life. From tiny macro angles capturing the delicate curves of feathers, to broad aerial sweeps over canopy and campus alike, every perspective unveils new facets of this world. The camera's gentle pace mirrors the patient rhythm of the crows themselves, steady, deliberate, attuned to every nuance. Interactions with flockmates reveal social structures, alliances, rivalries, intricacies revealed in subtle shifts, a dance choreographed by instinct and experience. Evening approaches with a palette of warm ambers and dusky purples, casting a tranquil glow over the park. A single crow settles upon a sturdy branch, its silhouette defined against the glowing skyline. The bird's gaze meets the lens directly, eyes reflecting the fading light with quiet intensity. Around it, leaves drift slowly downward, carried by a whispering wind, each descent a graceful punctuation to the day's unfolding narrative. In this serene moment, time seems suspended, the intersection of nature and observation crystallized in golden hues. The crow's posture holds a calm wisdom, embodying the enduring spirit of urban wildlife thriving amid human presence. As light wanes, the scene breathes with peaceful reverence, an invitation to witness, to understand, and to cherish the delicate balance that sustains us all. If you love science, nature, and animal behavior, subscribe and join